If you live in a small apartment, travel often, or just love smart tech that saves time, mini portable washing machines are game changers. I've tested and researched the best compact washers on Amazon that deliver powerful cleaning in tiny sizes. From foldable designs to twin tubs, these machines are perfect for tech lovers, fitness fans, and busy lifestyles everywhere. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Black+Decker Portable Washer. The Black+Decker Portable Washer is one of my favorite compact washing machines because it combines power, reliability, and smart design. It offers multiple wash cycles, making it perfect for gym clothes, daily outfits, and delicate fabrics. I really like its quiet operation, which is ideal for apartments or dorm rooms. The stainless steel tub improves durability and ensures long-term performance. Its compact size saves space while still delivering strong cleaning results. The LED controls are simple and beginner-friendly. For tech lovers and busy people who want convenience, this portable washer is a powerful and dependable choice that makes laundry faster, easier, and more efficient at home or while traveling. Giantex Mini Twin Tub Washer. The Giantex Mini Twin Tub Washer is perfect if you want faster and more efficient laundry in a compact size. I love its twin tub feature because you can wash and spin clothes at the same time, saving valuable time. The motor is powerful enough to clean workout clothes, daily wear, and small loads easily. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move and store anywhere. It uses less water and energy, which is great for saving money. The simple controls make it easy for anyone to use. This is an excellent portable washing machine for apartments, RVs, travelers, and anyone who wants powerful cleaning in a small, space-saving design. Superdeal Mini Washer. The Superdeal Mini Washer is a great option if you want something affordable but still powerful. I really like its compact design and twin tub functionality, which makes washing and spinning more efficient. It works very well for small laundry loads, gym clothes, and everyday wear. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel, dorm rooms, and small apartments. The motor delivers strong cleaning performance while saving water and energy. The controls are simple and easy to understand. This portable washer is perfect for tech-savvy users and busy lifestyles. It offers convenience, efficiency, and reliable performance in a compact and affordable package for modern living. Panda Compact Portable Washer. Panda Compact Portable Washer combines modern design with excellent washing performance. I love its sleek look and compact size, which fits perfectly in small apartments or travel spaces. It offers multiple wash modes, making it perfect for different clothing types. The stainless steel drum ensures durability and strong cleaning results. It also runs quietly, which is ideal for shared living environments. The transparent lid lets you see the washing process in real time. Installation is simple and doesn't require professional help. This portable washer is perfect for anyone who wants style, performance, and convenience. Comfee Portable Washer. The Comfee Portable Washer is a compact and efficient washing solution designed for small apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and travel use. It features multiple wash programs, allowing users to customize cleaning based on fabric type and dirt level. The machine is energy efficient and water-saving, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Its lightweight and space-saving design allows easy placement in tight areas. The durable stainless steel inner tub ensures long-lasting performance and gentle fabric care. With a simple control panel, users can operate it easily without technical knowledge. This washer delivers powerful cleaning performance while maintaining quiet operation, making it ideal for everyday laundry needs and convenient washing anytime, anywhere with reliable results. Costway Mini Twin Tub Washer. The Costway Mini Twin Tub Washer is a powerful and practical laundry solution featuring separate washing and spinning tubs for efficient performance. This design allows users to wash and spin clothes simultaneously, saving valuable time. Its compact and lightweight construction makes it perfect for apartments, dormitories, and camping. The washer provides strong cleaning performance while using less water and energy. The simple knob control system ensures easy operation for all users. Its durable plastic body ensures long-term reliability and resistance to rust. With its portable design and efficient functionality, the Costway Mini Twin Tub Washer is ideal for handling small to medium laundry loads quickly and effectively with convenience and dependable washing performance. Zeni Portable Mini Washer. The Zeni Portable Mini Washer offers excellent washing performance in a compact and portable design. It includes separate wash and spin compartments, allowing efficient and faster laundry completion. This washer is ideal for small living spaces like apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and travel environments. It features a user-friendly control system with adjustable wash and spin timers. The powerful motor ensures effective cleaning while maintaining
maintaining low noise levels. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move and store when not in use. Built with durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. The Zeni portable mini washer provides a convenient and reliable solution for everyday laundry needs without requiring a large washing machine. Kuppet Compact Washer. The Kuppet Compact Washer is a versatile and efficient portable washing machine designed for modern small-space living. It features twin tub functionality, allowing simultaneous washing and spinning for faster laundry cycles. The washer delivers strong cleaning performance while remaining energy efficient and water-saving. Its lightweight and compact design make it perfect for apartments, dormitories, RVs, and camping trips. The easy-to-use control knobs allow simple operation without complicated setup. Its durable body ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. The powerful motor effectively removes dirt while protecting fabrics. The Kuppet Compact Washer is an excellent choice for users seeking convenience, portability, and dependable laundry performance in a compact and practical design. Ottertech Mini Portable Washer. The Ottertech Mini Portable Washer is designed to provide efficient and convenient washing for small households and travelers. It features twin tub functionality, allowing users to wash and spin clothes efficiently. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for dorm rooms, apartments, RVs, and camping use. The washer includes easy-to-use controls that allow precise washing and spinning time adjustment. Its powerful motor ensures effective cleaning while maintaining quiet operation. The durable construction ensures long-term reliability and consistent performance. This portable washer saves water, energy, and space while delivering excellent results. The Ottertech Mini Portable Washer is perfect for quick, convenient, and reliable laundry anywhere, anytime. Foldable Mini Washing Machine. The Foldable Mini Washing Machine is an innovative and ultra-portable laundry solution designed for travel and small living spaces. Its foldable design allows easy storage when not in use, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, and travel. It uses energy-efficient technology while providing gentle and effective cleaning. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry anywhere. The simple one-touch operation ensures convenience for all users. Made with durable and flexible materials, it offers reliable performance. This foldable washer is perfect for quick, convenient, and space-saving laundry needs anytime, anywhere. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and top product recommendations. Check the links in the description to find the best deals on these products. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.